Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing some beautiful and elegant Mizo Sunday Myanmar dress designs. These dresses are simple, graceful and perfect for Sunday church wear or any special occasions. I really love the traditional touch of these designs. The beautiful color, neat patterns and stylish detail make each dress look very attractive and unique. Mizo traditional dresses have a special charm. They look modest, comfortable and elegant. At the same time, you can choose soft and simple color for a graceful look or bright color if you want your outfit to stand out. These designs can also give you a wonderful inspiration for creating your own Sunday outfit. You can choose your favorite pattern, color combination, and style according to your personal style. If you love traditional fashion and beautiful Myanmar inspired dresses, I hope these ideas will give you some inspiration for your next outfit. Which design is your favorite? Let me know in the comment. If you enjoy Mizo Sunday dresses designs, please like, subscribe and share. Share it with your friend and family members. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beautiful inspiration and dress design ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video.